She's the smart child.
Because she is white.
Okay. Show me the dumb child. And why is she the dumb child?
Because she black.
Well, show me the ugly child. And why is she the ugly child?
Because she black.
Show me the good-looking child. And why is she the good-looking child?
Because she light-skinned.
The racism that we have as a people amongst ourselves is a direct backlash of slavery. The house niggas versus the field niggas, the paper bag rule, if you're darker than a paper bag, you know, and the whole thing, it's like we as a people were so disenfranchised that we adopted some of that, a lot of that.
Pickaninny, Barbie doll, high yellow heifer, tar baby, wanna be white, jigaboo, don't stop.
We haven't healed from that. We just haven't.
Well, light skin versus dark skin girls, and you see the flyers. Oh, this is absolutely.
This is dumb.
Yeah.
Waste
But we buy
of
into
time
It is.
and life and energy.
It is.
And I refuse to partake in it. I mean, if that's what's going on, they got to keep that over there somewhere.
I'm sure it started with slavery, but I think we kept the vicious cycle going.
We haven't healed from that. We just haven't. Absolutely.
There are beautiful things that need to be told. And your conversion from a mean girl to one who's not.
And it caused a lot of friction amongst children, which now as an adult just seems stupid to me.
Please, wake up.